close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the
daghan ug malls kung hilig ka og shopping, na ay daghang park kung gusto mo magbanding. Cebu, manglaag ta sa Cebu, Pinoy ana ni sa buutan nga mga tao. Nindot nga laagan, diri na ay daghan, dili kala ayon, diri sa among lalawigan. Tara sa Cebu, manuroy ta sa tambay ba ka murag di estudyante, nganong permi kang nadi mo sulod sa klase. Looy lang ang imuhang ginikanan, nagdahom sila nga naa ka sa eskwelahan. Estudyambay di ay mo mga pare, sa inyuhang bisyo ka mura nagpalabi. Mga kabuang ra ang inyuhang unahon, inyong isayangan ang inyong kaugmaon. Eskwela na pud ka, kuyaw ka og porma.
Pwede bang kita na? Pwede bang makauban ka? Pasagdan ang kasing-kasing nato mahigugma. Pwede bang kita na? Unta para ka sa kuha. Higugma lang ko kay dugay ratak. Ma2ke TV!
Ano po yung process ng application namin pag-apply? So, first po is mag-fill up po tayo ng application. Ito po yun.
And mga adas, ang atong recipe today is tuna penny pesto pasta oron sa basta kay mao na siya. And we have the pesto. Karon, we will attend a session regarding how to take quality pictures. So, tana!
So this is the end product. So I darkened the background a little bit lang, so it adds more focus on the front, and I placed the subject.
Unboxing of the iPhone 11 Pro Max.
So guys, I'm trying to nod my head because the new Face ID recognition requires
Taking the battery.
it's taking the battery of my Huawei. So ang tridorness ng my phone, ha?
umpa ni Papa. Akong masulti, murag lami tanan. So, 10. Very top on my list. So, kay pinakalamig ini.
So ako i-rate. Rate na ko tanan kay pwede pa. Lami mo ko tanan. Mas lami pa sa akong tapan.
Hello mga adas, maayong adlaw. Mag-unbox ta karon sa kaning gipalit nato nga power bank, 30,000 milliamperes, and this is color black. Here adas. No, nice ang color black. Black. Ang pinakagamay og seconds nga maabot hanggang rubber band. So,
Alright.
Atagaw! Go, Atagaw! Ang pagkukuhay mo.
3, 2, 1, go!
Ito pag yung first challenger mo si Miss Josephine, of course the owner. Tulog sa imong kamot rinuhi. And then go down. It's like that. Go down.
Ay.
Sama na. Sana si Ha? Joy.
So, kung siya imo siyang kanon.
Ayaw sa tanawa. Ayaw mo iha. Ayaw lagi ko. Ayaw.
Ito ni. Ito na siya. Bato ni Darren.
Have you been to Ma2ke City? Have you heard of it? Have you heard of it? It's the best place here in the Philippines. You should go there. The people there are very friendly. Once they like you, they won't let you go. And they will keep your head for souvenir.
The Bachelor of Science Miss High-Tech Aeronautic Bow Tik-Tik.
Sisigapin ko ang mag-isang tunay na Pilipino sa isip, sa salita at sa gawa.
May tamang kandidat nga sa liyo, bilaran, unta, ugma.
Pero makakikaaga mo o brown na witin, kana, kay utin ka na.
Hello mga adas! Ana Elaine here and congratulations to Ma2ke TV's first year anniversary. Grabe mga adas, pakda gyud kaayo ta kay ngano sa ato ang mga supporters, kay ngano ni abot na taaning nga year walang gyud nato damha. And aside from that, ang ato sang uban nga mga kauban nga mga YouTubers, grabe sad kaayo nagpakda nato kay ngano they sent their greetings pod through videos. Let's watch this.
Happy anniversary, Ma2ke TV! Thank you!
Really yummy!
Happy anniversary, Ma2ke!
Ring lang ng ring. Ay naku guys. Mukhang hindi niya na talaga ako sasagutin. Ayun ako pa din natawagan si Sir Mika. Ayaw talaga eh. Ayaw talaga. Kanina pa to eh. Akala niya siguro ipaprank ko pa rin siya. So naman talaga sanang sabihin na congratulations. And I'm so happy that their YouTube channel, Ma2ke TV, is now turning 1. Yes, tama kayo. Congratulations and happy anniversaries mga adas. Tawagin ko kayo. Sagot kayo. Pinatay mo.
Hello mga adas! Maayong buntag, maayong hapon, maayong gabi sa tanan. Good evening to all the viewers. Good evening adas. And let me introduce myself. I'm Inday the Vlogger. And I wanted to say happy anniversary Ma2ke TV. Ma2ke, Ma2ke and then TV. Happy anniversary, and I'm so blessed and thankful that I've been part of Ma2ke TV journey. It was indeed a roller coaster ride, and I'm very blessed that I've been a part of some videos that you have created and you have published on your channel. And paspas na kayo ang panahon, and there you are, Ma2ke TV. You were able to aside sa na monetize na 1 year na si Ma2ke TV channel, and I hope the rest of the pages and the projects that you will have in the future will definitely be successful, as super mabait ang people behind Ma2ke TV. So, ayan, I guess in spite of this pandemic that we've been going through right now, still congratulations and happy anniversary Ma2ke TV. And puhon-puhon, magkakitaan na ita, and we'll have our own tapok-tapok, and we will celebrate your anniversary and success on this industry. So, guys, I would also like to take this opportunity to plug my channel, which is Inday the Vlogger. That's my YouTube channel, and that's also my Facebook page. And at the same time, I have my blogs, writing blogs, which is Magical Journal of Gail in Facebook. So thank you so much, and mga adas, again, congratulations and happy anniversary. Mwah, 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 mwah. Mga kainday kadodong, bye-bye!
Hey everyone, we just want to say happy anniversary, Ma2ke TV! Yes, congrats sir, Ma2ke TV and Ma'am Elaine for the milestone sa inyong channel. More power and blessings to come. Continue sir sa pag-create of very unique music na masarap sa tenga. Ganon. So guys, subscribe na mo sa Ma2ke TV for more Bisaya songs and original compositions, guys. That's it. Ito si Jonah Ardiente nagsasabing Viva! 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 Ardiente! Bye-bye! Keep safe!
Yo, mga team kaadas, this is Lakacharong Boholano, and I just want to use this opportunity to greet Ma2ke TV for its first year anniversary on YouTube. Continue to inspire and a blessing to everyone, Ma'am Sir Mick, and Ma'am Elaine Villayo. We're always here to support your channel, mga team kaadas, diba? So, again, this is Lakacharong Boholano. Please don't forget to subscribe Ma2ke TV. So, God bless and see you soon, sir, ma'am.
Hello everyone, my name is Margaret and I am part of Bisaya YouTubers Club. And I would like to greet Ma2ke TV. Happy anniversary to you guys, especially to Sir Mick, Ma'am Elaine, and their kids, and also to Jhay-know, as of course he is part of Ma2ke TV as well, for Ma2ke TV Musicals. Guys, please do support Ma2ke TV, Make It Yummy, and Ma2ke TV Musicals as well. So, thank you so much for being part of my YouTubing career, Ma2ke TV. And thank you as well for being part of my personal life, for being there during my wedding, for being there as like parents to me whenever I needed advice, whenever I needed help. You were there. Thank you so much, Sir Mick and Tita Elaine. Thank you so much for everything. I wish your channel the best of luck and the graces that you guys deserve. Oh, skiddy po daw. Thank you so much once again. I hope you will succeed. I hope you reach that 1 million subscribers very soon. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Have a great day and hope to see you again and collab soon. Gayo na si Kiddy. See you soon in Kawasan. Bye guys.
Hello mga adas, this is Maestrang Laagan and I would like to say welcome to this new normal. Happy anniversary and congratulations on your monetization. Bye! See you soon!
Shout out sa Ma2ke TV! Hello mga adas! bagong lahat, may knock-knock day ko sa inyo, ha? Okay, knock-knock. Tubagsad mo, cooperate ba? Knock-knock. Who's there? Make TV. Make TV, who? Sa Make TV, kwarta padala. Araw-gabi, maaasahan siya. Yuan! Just wanted to greet you, happy anniversary, Make TV. More videos, especially musical videos to come. Papilas na rin taon ko bisag second voice lang. Please bitaw ni. And once again, this is your friendly, big in the tangkal, Pink the Baboy. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and bye!
Happy first year anniversary, Make TV! Yay! More power!
What's up guys, Tata Boy here, and gusto ko lang batiin na happy anniversary Make TV! Wow, nakaka-proud oy, 1-year-old na ang Make TV. And I'm so happy kasi parte ako ng Adas family. Sobrang proud ko na nakilala ko ang pamilyang ito na napaka-supportive sa akin. Sobra-sobra. And thank you so much Sir Mick and Ma'am Ada Elaine na nandyan kayo lagi sa akin. Gusto ko lang sabihin din na andito lang din ako para sa inyo. Sana'y ipagpatuloy nyo ang paggawa pa ng mga magagandang songs. Sobrang talented nyo. Wow, 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 wow. Grabe. And to my bro agaw, shout out kanimo diha, Jhay-know. I'm so proud of you and mabuhay ang Make TV.
Hi mga chan, this is Crystal Q Pakanya and you're watching Yunulit's vlog. It's YOUNILIT, Yunulit, cause I know it. Ay wait. Din ako ang channel eh. Hi mga Adas Naturean, this is Crystal Q Pakanya of Yunulit. Nag-makeup ko? Wala. Natural lagi na siya. Salt and water. Nag-makeup ko kay daghan ba kayo followers sila Sir Mick ug Ada Elaine. Hi guys. By the way, single day ko guys. If you don't know me, I am one of the co-cast of Pwede Na Bang Kita Na? That song by Ada Elaine. 6 months ago na ata yun. Pag-Tagalog. I am very grateful that I've been part of your family mga Adas. Ampon! Naampon ko ninyo mga Adas. Happy kay ko. And it is a tough journey na na-encounter ninyo and I've witnessed it mga Adas, mga hitsuraan. And your channel give us a good vibes, positivity, and inspiration to us content creator. Taosa na ni the first day that I met you way back 2019, to be exact, October 12, 2019 if I'm not wrong. So here's the photo of us with the Bisaya YouTubers Club. I miss you so much guys. I miss you so much. Hope to see you soon. Maybe this year or next year. Basta soon, magkita rata ninyo balik. I miss doing videos with you mga Adas. Sir Mick and Ada Elaine, I miss you so much. Mom and Dad, ampon. Thank you so much. Congratulations again.
Happy anniversary, Make TV. This is Dee and I just want to let you know that you are very inspiring. Reminding us that success doesn't come overnight, but rather it comes with, or it starts with baby steps. Thank you so much for giving us amazing content, and we love you. Happy anniversary once again.
Happy anniversary Make TV. Congrats Sir Mick o Ada Elaine kay progressive kanyang YouTube channel ang Make TV Musicals. Congrats sa inyong singer pod si Ada Elaine o si Ada Miko, Ada Meg, apon si Shin. Congrats, happy anniversary, daghan pang mga anniversaries maabot. God bless. You're watching Make TV.
O, diba mga adas? Ma-check yun ninyo kung unsa yun mi kapada sa ato ang mga supporters o mga kauban nato sa nga mga YouTubers. Now, ang ilahang tanan nga mga channel links, makita na ninyo diri sa video description. And good to say, ubay-ubay na sad nga na monetize mga adas. So, check their channels. And then, kung wala pa mo nakasubscribe, please do so. And kami sad. So, wala pa nakasubscribe sa Ma2ke TV. And also, to make it yummy, please do subscribe. So, mga mga adas ha, please check out the video description. For those who have not subscribed yet, Ma2ke TV and make it yummy. Continue watching our videos and hit the notification bell para updated mo sa tanan natong mga video uploads. So, this is your beautiful host, Ada Elaine. Thank you so much for supporting and always watching Ma2ke TV. Bye-bye!
Didn't even get to cross. I said I'm moving too far. Get to glass. Looking at a shooting star. Got more than a couple of people going mad, I swear.